Hi, do you like traveling in nice looking bags? I know I do. Hi, I'm Perry from Perry's Passport, and in this video, I'm going to show you a beauty of a bag that I found on Amazon. It looks like a bees bag, but a fraction of the price. Stay tuned. This is the UV Stylish, and it's a really nice looking bag. It has lovely finishings like gold zippers, snaps on the handles, snaps on the side, shoulder strap, well padded. In the back, you have slip over your luggage. In the front, you have a zipper for your passport and tickets. It has two very deep side pockets for either possessions or water bottles. Snap that you can open up on top, also in gold. Nice gold zippers on top. Open it up, and the inside is just loaded with stuff. You have a pocket here in the front. It's a wet pocket, so you can keep, if you want to, your liquids in there. It has a nice padded computer compartment in here with a snap down. It has a port for a charger and a place to put your port for the charger here. And here it is on the outside, so you can keep your phone in here while getting it charged. Very well thought out. On the other side, you have an elastic. I have to get a good view of this. You have an elastic pocket here. Keep stuff in. And a very, very deep inside pocket. It also has a shoe compartment, which is just like the bees bag. When you open it up, you can see that it's very deep. Now, I came up with a really unique way of packing using this as a packing cube, and I'm going to be showing this to you in a little bit in the video. Let's go to learn more about packing that bag. So, as promised, here is a technique that I came up with using an idea that I got from another YouTuber. I'll be including her link down below. What it is that I'm using the bottom part of the UV Stylish, which is where the shoes would normally go, as a packing cube, which is great. But you have to kind of know how to pack this. So I'm going to demonstrate for you the technique that this other YouTuber did using a regular, very, very large packing cube, using just the bottom of the UV Stylish. Stay tuned. So let me explain to you a little bit about the technique of this folding. What I do is I use the width of the bag to fold everything to that size so that you make these little envelopes that you fit inside to the bag. Now I'm going to start first with a sweater. Here's a sweater. So using the sides of the bag, I lay out the sweater and I fold the sweater. It's not a particularly fancy fold, but you'll see it's no wider than the width of the bag. Fold the sweater in half. And then to make sure that it fits, you fold it in thirds like that. And then you put it folded side up. This time a blouse. Okay. Make everything nice and neat. I'm going to fold this into the inside. Then this. Then the arm. Fold it in half. Turn it over. Fold in thirds. And into the back. Now a pair of jeans. So using the bag to measure, I'll take the crotch and fold it in. Then I'll fold this back up to the top, fold it over. This time I'm going to fold it into quarters, like that, into the bag. I'm going to do a pair of pajamas now, so I'll show you how you can make an envelope out of it. Take your pajama bottom, top, lay it down, take the bottoms, fold them in half. There they are, folded in half. Fold the sides. I'm using this. Fold the sides. Okay. Now fold the bottoms to right where the bottom of the top is. And then fold in half. And then half again. And get it into the back. Now, as you can see, I can put a ton more in here. Bring it in close to the camera. I can fit a ton more into here. I have another shirt that I have pre-folded. There's another shirt. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. I still have plenty of room. And she packed everything very tightly in the demo. So you can get a lot of stuff right in the bottom of this bag using it as a packing cube. So this is my capsule wardrobe for 1 week based on the color blue that I'll be packing the UV stylish using that technique. Now you'll see as I put the pieces in, I can really cram a lot into the bottom of this bag. There goes the pajamas and another shirt, and those are some more shirts. Even threw in 2 of my tank tops. So now onto the inside of the bag. I put my packing cube with my underwear, my bra, and my socks, a pair of shoes, 2 pairs of jeans, and 3 bags. One is a convertible crossbody bag that's a wristlet. The other one is a backpack for daily use. And the third one is an extra bag in case I bring home any gifts. I put my computer into the computer compartment, and I put the rest of the computer gear into one of the little side compartments. I put my headphone into the wet compartment along with my scarf. I put my toiletries on top so they're easy to get, along with my hair straightener and my brush. Zip up the bag and then go on to finish with my phone by the charging port, my passport, and my wallet. Zip it up and I'm ready to go. So here I am at the airport making sure that this very stuffed bag can fit into the drop boxes for personal items. Here I am at Spirit and it fits. And once again, here I am at Frontier, getting it in, and it fits. And here I am testing the bag to see how strong it is. I'm dropping the bag 3 times from pretty high up without my computer in it. I'm not that brave, to see how the zippers and seams hold up. And you can see that the seams all look really good, surprisingly so, and that the zippers on top are functioning fine. You can see that the bag is full. And onto the shoe compartment. And there it is, full, and it's fine. Well, I hope you found the video informative. And if you did, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.